Hi there. Let's have a look at a sentence equivalence question today. How do I know that it is a sentence equivalence question? Because of the check boxes and six options. In such a question, I have to select two answer choices which will fit into this blank given here in the text, and both of the answer choices will give us same meaning for the sentence, so they should be interchangeable in the sentence. Look at the sentence and actively look out for information which will help you in solving the blank quickly. Urbanization have swelled the number of people commuting into city centers. So what's given before this contrast keyword yet? That the number of commuters have swelled. So it has increased. Yet transport infrastructure has been hardly dashed. Now please be very careful with these negation keywords, yet brings in contrast. So transport infrastructure technically should have gone down because this has gone up, the commuters. However, because of the keyword hardly immediately before the blank, I need a positive word. See, negative plus positive is equal to negative. That's exactly what is happening here. So hardly increased is my own word here. So this arrow up means increased. Rather than decrease, I want a word like increase thanks to this keyword of negation hardly given here. Now, before I move on to process of elimination, in sentence equivalence, I will first make pairs. Now, concealed and masked is a pair. Upgraded and improved is a pair. Impaired and sanctioned were my free floaters. Now, in these questions, free floaters can never be the right answers. So you can simply eliminate them. Out of the given two, which is the positive pair? Of course, upgraded and improved. I can simply eliminate concealed and masked as the wrong pair. So answer is B and E.